In today's video, we're going to go over how to install the Microsoft Office 365 apps on your personal computer from Bristol Community College. First things first, go ahead and sign into your myBristol portal. Once you're signed into your myBristol portal, you're going to go ahead and scroll down under Student Quick Links and click on the Microsoft 365 apps. If you get prompted to sign in again, make sure that you use your Bristol email address or your third-party ID, which is your myBristol username, followed by @bristolcc.edu. Once we're at your Microsoft 365 dashboard, let's go ahead and click on the Home button. Once you're on the Home button, you'll notice there's a Install and More button to the right. Go ahead and click on that. You're next going to go ahead and click on Install Microsoft 365 Apps. Again, you're going to go ahead and click on Install Office, and this will start to download the program to your system. Once you get the notification, you're going to go ahead and click on the Setup. If you get a pop-up, just go ahead and say yes. Now, Microsoft's going to go ahead and install on your system. This might take a few moments depending on your system. Once Microsoft has gone ahead and finished installing, you'll get this message. Go ahead and hit close. Let's go ahead and open up one of the Office apps. I'm going to go ahead and open up Word. Once you open up Word, you may be prompted to go ahead and sign in. We're going to go ahead and click on the Sign In or Create Account button. You're going to sign in with your Bristol email address or your third-party ID. This is going to be your myBristol account followed by @bristolcc.edu. Go ahead and click on Next. You'll be brought to a myBristol sign-in page. Go ahead and sign in again. This time all you need is your username. You don't need to include the @bristolcc.edu at the end. Once you're signed in, you're going to go ahead and uncheck Allow my organization to manage my device, and then click OK. This is going to register your Microsoft Office products. You're all set. Go ahead and click on Done. Go ahead and accept the license agreement by clicking on Accept. You'll notice that the product will have your first and last name at the top. You can also check to see the status of your subscription by clicking on Account, and you'll see that the account is now activated. This means that we've successfully installed and activated our Microsoft Office 365 from Bristol Community College. Remember, you will have access to the software for as long as you are an active registered student or if you're currently working for the college. Once you've graduated, or it's been 3 semesters since your last class registration, you will lose access to this software. If you have any additional questions or need any assistance installing the Microsoft Office 365 apps on your system, please do not hesitate and give us a call at 774-357-3333.